it going, everybody? Cackenballs here again with another bigger box unboxing. It did not come like this. I removed the labels and everything, so that was me doing that. So let's go ahead and open this up and take a look and see what we got inside here. Obviously, as always, if you are watching this video, you already know what this video is about. So, open this up. Oh, this is going to be a problem. All right. Well, we've got lots of packing peanuts here on the end. So, I'm going to need something to put these in. I've wanted one of these amplifiers for a while. Every time that I come across one, either somebody has already traded it off for something else or a deal has fallen through. I actually had two of these lined up at one point in time. I was going to trade a guy a 500M for two of them. And, you know, things happen. All right, more packing peanuts in the bottom. So here we go. So we'll flip this over. And we're going to open this up. So this one's not packed too bad. I've been having a string of oddball pack jobs from people lately. And there we have it. We have us a 360.6. Like I said, it's been probably about 2 years I've been looking for one of these amplifiers. Bring that up here, 360.6. Got a little, that's just tape. A little bit of tape right there. Peel that off. Came with the end caps. I know I can't fit this whole thing in here, so we're going to do like the Star Wars beginning but sideways. So, bum, bum, ba-da-ba-bum, bum. So, here we go. And then on the back side, you've got your crossover cards, which these all look like they're all screwed up. These are all leaning forward. They're all leaning this way really bad. So 360.6. This one's been opened. Has a warranty sticker on it. Right over here. So we have, please refer to owner's manual. So phase switch is right here. Signal input, which is going to be, I believe, actually I don't know. So I'm not going to sit here and guess what it possibly is. I don't know. We're already 4 minutes in. You want to make this a long video? Let's take these end caps off. Take a look at it. So I've been waiting for this one for a while. So let's dig into it together. How's that sound? Yeah, this is an amplifier that I will never use, but I just, for some reason, you know, 360.6, the 5-channel and the 6-channel amps that are out there on the market have always kind of, you know, I've been interested in them just for the fact that it's an amplifier that does the whole system. Excuse me. So not a lot of people bought these amplifiers. So to me, they're one of the harder amplifiers to come by, but to some people they may not be. So what we have here, trying to zoom in here, we've got channel B, which is right over here, our remote tab. This is dual positive, dual ground, left channel, right channel, and this is channel A. That one must be loose. And then on this end, we have our channel C, we have our gains on this end, and then we have our RCA inputs. Looks right here like there's some thermal paste on it. So somebody's been in here. Maybe they fixed it. I'm not totally sure. These end caps, I noticed that I was a little skeptical about this. Of course, I can't really see it, and it's all dirty back in here. So, but there we go. 360.6. We'll get it hooked up, make sure that it works, and go from there. So if you guys or girls have any questions, feel free to give me, or feel free to let me know down below. If you like my videos, give me a thumbs up. If not, you know what to do. And hopefully I'll get to feeling better here shortly and try to make videos that don't sound like I'm hoarse. So have a good one, guys and girls.